Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I recently participated in a challenge called Karina's 7-Day Sketchbook Challenge, so I'm going to show you the drawings I did. Day 1 was to draw any object that I find in my room, so I decided to draw my backpack. Day 2 was to draw 10 different faces, and I used reference from Pinterest. Day 3 was monochrome. Again, I used reference from Pinterest and drew some eyes. I know that's random, but I just did it. Day 4 was 3 marker challenge, and I drew my house, which was a bad idea. I should have chose something else to draw. Day 5 was fan art. I'm a really big fan of Death Note, so I drew L and some scenes from that anime. Day 6 and 7 are my favorite. Day 6 was to draw using your non-dominant hand, which is my left hand. I decided to draw my tripod in different angles, and I used crayons to fill the background. Day 7 was self-portrait. I took pictures of myself along with my teddy bear and did some funny expressions and poses. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.